Zimbabwe's Ministry of Information and Publicity, led by Mangwana, was exposed in a massive vehicle scam, millions of hard-earned dollars down the drain. The culprit, Solution Motors, a company owned by Innocent Sibanda. The ministry paid Solution Motors for 7 Toyota double-cab vehicles. Those vehicles were never delivered, not a single one. But wait, it gets worse. This isn't the first time Solution Motors pulled this stunt. Over the past 7 years, they've been involved in similar fraudulent deals. Undelivered vehicles, undelivered machinery, all costing us millions in public funds. Imagine what that money could have done for our schools, our hospitals, or even our roads. It's incredibly frustrating to see funds meant for public good just vanish into thin air. So, how did they get away with it for so long? Well, it seems there's been a serious lack of oversight and accountability. These deals were going under the radar and nobody was asking the tough questions. It's a classic case of corruption and mismanagement. And now the people of Zimbabwe are paying the price. The exposure of this scandal is a step in the right direction, and it's a wake-up call for more transparency in how public funds are managed. We need stronger checks and balances. We need to hold our leaders accountable. And most importantly, we need to ensure that our money is going where it's supposed to build a better Zimbabwe. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Stay safe, Zimbabwe. Catch you next time.